Best visibility, easy to install, super simple. I took an alcohol swab, cleaned off my existing mirror. There's a little adhesive backing on here. With a razor blade, I just simply peel this right off, just like so. And then I just attach it, press down on it, and I'm ready to roll. Gives you a nice wide range view, so that way you can see what's going on the sides of you as well as behind you. Inexpensive part to buy to give you maximum safety and protection while you're out on the road.